Let's look at the daily language review for Friday. For this activity, we're supposed to tell which reference source would be best to look up the information: a thesaurus, a dictionary, an atlas, an encyclopedia, or an almanac. Number 1 is the location of the Nile. This is a place on Earth, so I would need to look at a map. Which resource would have that? You're right, it would be an atlas. You also might be able to find this information in an almanac. So we can list atlas or almanac for number 1. Number 2 says an antonym for the word dim. If we're looking for synonyms or antonyms of a word, we're going to want to look in a thesaurus. How about the highest mountain range in North America? That sounds a lot like number 1. I would need to look for a place on Earth, which means I would need a map. So again, I could use either an atlas or an almanac. How about number 4? How to pronounce the word intellectual. Well, that's one handy thing that they have in a dictionary, and that's the pronunciation guide. So if I want to know how to pronounce a word, I can always look in a dictionary. And number 5, information on the state of Maine. If I want to read about information about a state or any subject really, I could look in an encyclopedia. And that's going to give me information about the state of Maine.